Are you sure that's not the one that hallucination?
We will figure it out tonight, right? If you're having sex with Arnold Schwarzenegger, then you know you're hallucinating.
I know that. Morning, everyone. Morning.
Good morning. It's like 45 degrees, 50 degrees this morning.
Yeah, it's cold.
And we got sausage and biscuits and eggs.
He's cooking breakfast. What we have for breakfast, my love?
Eggs, sausage, and biscuits.
Okie dokie, that sounds good. Smell good.
It does smell good, actually.
Yeah.
Trying to
Welcome
find-
back to another vlog, another video in our
Trying to
life.
find your other phone to charge. You have two of these, you know.
I know, charge that one.
I am. I'm going to go plug it into the thing in the truck.
And also my laptop, love.
It's already plugged into the truck.
Oh, thank you. So today's video, guys, we're going to creek.
We're going to go check the creek out and see how the water is, see if it's clear enough for fishing. Got to fix a fishing pole this morning. And this afternoon, we got to go mushroom hunting. Hunt us up some mushrooms for dinner.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna fish and hunting mushroom, right?
Yeah, fresh mushrooms for dinner.
We're gonna eat our breakfast first, and then I'm gonna wash my face. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera here so you will be in the
So I'm in it?
vlogs. Yeah. Kain, everyone. This is what we have this morning. Our breakfast. Bread, sausage, and egg. Yan. Sarap. Thank you, honey. Huh?
Breakfast of champions.
Oh, huh? It's hot. Sorry. Oh, coffee is hot. So we're done eating our breakfast. Let's wash the dishes first. So yan guys, tapos na akong naghugas ng mga pinggan. Yan yung mga hugasin namin. Tapos ko nang nahugasan. Toothbrush muna ako. And then maghihilamos kasi may mga muta-muta pa tayo sa mata, no? Tapos na akong naghilamos at saka nag-toothbrush ng aking teeth. Bibihis muna ako guys, ha? I'm gonna change my clothes. Your phone? Okay. So guys, nakabihis na ako. So, pupunta na kami sa Kakahuyan. We're gonna go get some mushroom and we're gonna do fishing today. I'm gonna put mosquito repellent.
Close your eyes.
ready to go, guys. So I'm gonna bring some small bag to put our mushroom, okay? Here.
Glasses?
Yep. I got my glasses, honey. Yan, tara sa wild forest.
Wild forest?
Yeah, tara. I got my small bag. I'm gonna look in here if they have mushroom.
Let's go check out this road.
Okay, wait. Oh, there's a mushroom.
Huh?
Mushroom.
I told you on this hillside.
Come on, let's take a look.
Yeah.
Over there.
Let's go.
See? What kind of mushroom is that? Oh, wow. Oh my god, I seen a big one too, honey. Over there. Look at this one.
Everywhere.
What kind of mushroom is this? Looks good though. Oops. This one is pretty, honey. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, I take a picture already.
But I don't know what flavors they are. Some of them.
Eric said he know some of edible. What is this? Mushroom.
But we're looking for pacinis today. Or a puffball or something. Found some puffballs.
There's a lot of small puffballs,
Yeah,
honey.
a lot of small ones, yeah. That's the two bigger ones I see right there.
There's a lot.
You put them in your bag here, okay? Little round puffballs. See that rough texture on top? Oh yeah, puffballs. Put them in your bag. Let's go see if we can find some more bigger puffballs that size. Huh. You know, puffballs grow in a puffball. And a little fairy, and
There's a puffball too.
there's a small one. Got a big one? That's not a great big one, but that's about the right size. He'll just come right out. That's about the right size.
There's another one here.
I'll leave the small ones there.
I got my
Puffball.
mushroom.
You got a puffball.
Is this good?
The yummers, puffballs are good. I do like puffballs.
You don't like it?
I do like puffballs.
You do like it.
Yeah, they were popping right out in the sunshine. What? Chipmunk or a squirrel running through there, or a pine marten. Could be a pine marten. They look like a weasel or a mink.
Yeah, like the red color.
Yeah, that's a pine marten, baby. They're a big squirrel. Yeah, that's your pine marten. What? You see any more mushrooms? Is it? Where?
There's a lot of other people.
Well, we'll move our way over there. Go around the tree.
You see it?
Yeah, I see that one. I don't want that one. Oh, that is one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is what we're looking for. And that one just popped, too.
See? Wow.
Grab that one. Grab it down low.
Oh, that's slimy. Slick.
Let's see it. Let's see underneath. Yeah. There you go. That's fine. I'll clean
Put
him
it
up.
here.
I will. I want to clean him first. Let's go get them 3 pacinis down here. Come on. These are nice looking pacinis in here. 3 of them right in there.
Yeah, I see that one.
There's pacinis everywhere right here. We want them 3 here. You hold the camera. I'll go in and get them, okay?
Okay.
Something been eating on these 3 pacinis. I got dinner.
Oh, wow.
Them are nice looking
Look
pacinis.
at this. I will take you a picture, honey.
Oh God, they smell.
Stay there. I'm gonna take a picture. That like that.
Puccinis.
Again.
They're heavy. That's got to be like a pound and a half. Feel them.
Okay. Huh.
Heavy, huh?
So,
That was a good find, in Puccinis.
take me picture lang. Siguro.
I am taking pictures. That's your Puccinis.
Okay.
Huh, come on. Well, we're done mushroom hunting.
We're done?
Yeah, we got plenty for dinner.
Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, it is. Pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got more than enough for dinner.
Yeah.
They'll fry down, they'll fry out.
Yeah, we will cook it for dinner. Yeah, we have free dinner. So, we're headed to the bottom. We're gonna do fishing. Grabe. Kalisod. Kalisod ang agihanan. Be careful, okay? In Jesus' name. We got one! Yeah! We got fish. Good job, love. Our pool is broke.
It's too big.
Yeah? We need to buy a new one. Okay. Okay. We're gonna try to fix our fishing pole, guys. Look at this mushroom, guys. Oh, okay. Oh my god. It's a big one. It's a big mushroom. Malaki pa sa payad ko. He's still doing fishing over there. So we're gonna go back
Straight up.
to the top. Hiningal na ako. I'm exhausted. Tired. Hiningal ako. nandito na kami sa aming campsite. Yan. Dito na kami. We arrive. We're back. We're back to our home. We're gonna cook our mushroom now and the fish. That's our dinner today.
You have rice too, Mom?
Yeah, rice. We can have rice. I'm gonna season my fish. Flour and corn. Flour.
You got mushrooms.
Yeah. Fresh mushroom. Okay, the pork is cooked, so we're gonna fry this mushroom na.
Let's find the oil bottle, okay?
Oh.
Give me some oil, honey. Yeah, fill that bottom up in the sink. Go on. Give me about 10 minutes or 12 minutes, and I'll fry up the onions with it here in a minute.
Okay.
And then you can do your fishes. Cool?
I'm not.
Okay.
Are you sure that's not the one that hallucination?
We will figure it out tonight, right? If you're having sex with Arnold Schwarzenegger, then you know you're hallucinating. Yeah? Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Arnold. You're funny.
Yeah.
You're messed up.
Shit crackers.
Jesus' name.
Yeah,
We will show you guys the mushroom that we cook. Here. Here's the mushroom, yan.
they're getting smaller.
Yeah.
Cool.
Looks good.
We'll see.
So yan. Gutom na ako.
Huh?
Gutom na ako.
Okay, twice.
Okay, twice. I'm hungry.
Oh, you're always hungry, woman.
I know. Lagay ko kayo ulit dito sa taas ng aming bed. Yan. Para makita nyo yung ginagawa namin.
Garlic with them. Garlic.
Garlic.
That's enough. Is that garlic salt or just garlic?
Just garlic powder.
Okay, here. Take these two over there. Put that one on the bottom rack. Take that one away. You don't need no more salt.
So, I'm gonna fry my fish. The mushroom is 1 minute to go and it will cook. Yan. So guys, we're done cooking our mushroom. Look at this mushroom, guys. Oh, it looks good. Wow. Smell good too. Fish is almost done. I already turn that one. Kain na muna kami, guys. Kain tayo. One fish for you, my love.
You go ahead.
No,
Give her for
share.
come on.
Share. Wow. Mushroom in the forest.
I can kind of like that right there.
Oh, it's really good. Fish in the creek. Fresh fish. Oh my god, I'm full. So we're done eating, guys. We ate it all. As you can see. See now. Yeah, that's really good. I like it.
It's something different.
Ah, it's hot.
Yeah, I said it looked like it got hot. What happened?
Drooling.
Drool. Drooling like a dog? Huh?
That's really good. I like that one. Oh wow.
I put them in the freezer though.
Yeah.
Some reason they got hot
Yeah,
on the
over there.
back of that
Huh?
refrigerator or something.
So guys, we will end this video na. Hope you like this video. Hope nagustuhan nyo yung aming vlogs today. Don't forget to subscribe as well, guys, down below, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo when we upload the next video. Until next time, guys, take care everyone. Bye!